When a water main breaks, it impacts a lot of us beyond the water utility. Customers, emergency responders, and anyone else traveling through the area. So there's naturally a priority placed on getting the leak stopped quickly. This video is about getting the leak stopped quickly and safely. Water main breaks are fairly common occurrences in communities across the country. As water distribution systems age and are impacted by various circumstances in their immediate environment, water mains break and utility crews respond. Broken water mains not only interrupt service and pose a danger to property, they provide an opportunity for contamination to enter the distribution system. Main breaks may also be a public relations issue for water utilities, as major breaks usually are well documented by the local news media.
Water gushing onto the street, as you can see, creating a huge mess.
The incident may reflect on a utility's ability to respond efficiently and manage its resources well. Leaking water impacts pedestrian and vehicle traffic and is sometimes a threat to local businesses and personal property. Utility repair crews and equipment are sent to the site as quickly as possible. This requires that utilities always consider worst-case scenarios and maintain staffing, equipment, and material availability to address emergency repairs throughout the entire year. Utility crews assist in traffic control and provide the necessary signs, lights, barricades, and flaggers that are needed to safely route traffic around the leak. Utility crews also establish adequate and safe working areas. Large excavation equipment, utility repair vehicles, and replacement pipe and accessories require plenty of room to safely stage and operate. Since this video is about repairing water mains safely, let's take a moment to discuss worker personal protective equipment, PPE. For repairing water mains, proper PPE is similar to what you would find on most excavation or construction sites.